Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the iPhone features, and I want to show you the way how you can remove the emoji from a picture only with your iPhone. So you just need to open the photo library here, and then you just need to open the picture that you want to edit or containing the emoji on it. Let's say here it is the picture, and then just need to tap the picture until this menu is pop up and just go edit. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this top right corner, this three icon. Go click the middle one with the pen style there. The next thing you need to do is just go click this plus button on this side, and you can just go click add the shapes. Now you just need to pick what shapes that you want to use to cover the emoji, and the next thing you need to do is just choosing the color. Just go click this side and click the color picker right here, and then you just need to drag the color picker into the nearest area with the emoji. And whenever you're done, you just need to drag those circles into the emoji to cover it. Whenever you're done, you just need to simply click done, and those emoji will be slightly covered perfectly. So that is the way how you can remove emoji from a picture only with iPhone. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.